I'm going to hound Dom for a bit of his footage, and you can see how good his looks compared to my footage. And then you realise why you need to follow the Parrott Bros instead of me, just like this.
Right, so we are here at the TT meet. Two YouTubers, two beards, and a load of TTs.
Loads.
But yeah, so we got quite a good turnout considering it's not raining, which is always good. So you're always going to get more people. And I mean, you can see there's probably, we had a head count. There's 20 something. Couple are leaving now.
Later,
yeah.
What the total was. Potentially 25.
Yeah, there's a couple leaving who've, this is their second time here in 2 days. This is what you get if you don't read the event details, everyone. So yeah, little casual breakfast meet. We're going to be doing more in the future, definitely all around the country, every sort of 5 to 6 weeks. And yeah, so check them out. I'll post the details on the YouTube, the Facebook, on all the groups and everything. So be sure to check it out. Let's go for a walk around and see what people have got. So here we've got Abby's 180, quite a few nice little sort of black and orange touches. Wheels, very nice, Mark IIs I think, from an A3 maybe, I might be wrong, I usually am. What else we got here? Twin exhausts which come off a nice Nagaro blue TT that you may have seen in some videos, which was mine. Someone leaving in their noisy V6. Got a nice little seat delete custom jobby. I'm loving the headrest cozies. They're wicked. Nice, really clean, original looking V6 here. Had a chat with the owner. It's quite original, which is nice. Just a really clean, nice car. My favourite wheels, of course. Have a nice look around this. It's nice to see just a real nice original. Is he coming past? Yes, he is. The V6s sound so good. But yeah, just a really nice original car, this one. Really well kept. He's had it for a little while, done a few bits to it. Just tried to make it really nice and clean. This silver one here with a few little black accents. Again, not loads done to it, but honeycomb grille looks really nice. The black wheels with the front mud flaps. If you know anything about TTs and mud flaps, there's some £100 mud flaps right there. And he's also got the rear spats, which I believe Cloud9 Customs are now doing. So you've got these here, which stop a lot of the flick up onto the rear. And he's got the black badges, honeycomb diffuser. Nice looking car, that. For silver, just a few black accents, just looks really clean. I find. What do you think? You a big fan of the black on the silver? I think if I was going to have black wheels, it would be on a silver car. Here's Nigel Carter with his Tarmac 52s. He's also lost a wiper on the way here because a pigeon decided to kamikaze him. Making a nice little exit there. Right, let's go back on to where we were. So we've got a nice little black. What do you reckon, 180 or 225? Again, a nice, cleaner, honest car. What we got here? 225, yeah. It's always a bit of a hard one to decide because with these wheels, they quite often come on the 180s. And often people change them where maybe the 18s have had damage or whatever. Or it's just a sort of a lower spec car. But it looks really clean. Really nice and original inside. It's always nice to see. People leaving before they get their cars filmed. And then we've got a TT lookalike here. With the same engine, of course. If I'd have panned in, you wouldn't know this wasn't a TT. Apart from the fact that it's not. And it's got this nice red slam panel here. And there's a nice little sticker that someone made him. Where is it? There we go. Oh yeah, lovely. All right, we got mine. Quick walk past that. Seen enough of that already. Okay, I'll show you in there quickly. Just before it starts raining, hopefully. So you got my new interior. Steering wheel, shift tower, white gloves for if you get dirty hands. New wheels are on. Finally put some stickers on my calipers after 2 years. It's actually looking pretty sweet. Got my front number plate blank. There's a video for that on our channel if you want to see how that's done. Nice little simple one, but quite effective. Then we've got this red, lovely red TT here. Slightly tinted rear lights, which looks quite smart. It's got a nice contrast of interior as well. It's got similar silver to mine by the looks of it. Yeah. Again, quite a factory looking car. Which is quite nice. It's nice to see. Oh, it's got an exhaust, didn't see that. What we got, Miltech. Nice Miltech there. Try and get some video clips of that later. A little bit of sound. On to a Quattro Sport, which is a little bit tricky. It's got ABT front grille, it's got the 4-pot Brembos, it's got quite a few other little bits and bobs as well. Let's do a little pan up for you. So this is Roberto's. He's the one with the papaya, with a carbon dashboard and all that other good stuff. Let's have a look inside. So we got the, what we got? We've got the pole positions. And of course, because it's Roberto's, that it's got some carbon fibre, of course. And of course, these come with a rear seat delete as standard. We've got a carbon fibre rear diffuser along with a Scorpion exhaust this time. Carbon fibre fuel cap. Quite a tricky little car. This bit, if you know Roberto, you know he loves a bit of carbon and a few other bits and bobs. On to BWS TT's Papaya 32 V6 convertible. I must admit I was a little bit green with envy when he bought this because that's a lovely combination of V6 colour. It's a convertible, so you get to drive with the roof down and listen to that exhaust. It's actually a really nice looking car, and then wheels, like I've said before, are my favourite, so can't argue with that. Okay, so on to Simon's. He's got R32 wheels. They look like quite nice with the sort of the colour of them, the graphite. I was trying to think what the colour was. Nice bit of bling here. He's spent quite a bit of time focusing on this. Looks really nice. Polished charge pipe, little sort of trim cover. Even a polished throttle body. Nice touch that. Along with some other bits and bobs, of course. And it's a roadster. We do like a roadster. Especially when the weather's nice. Not so much today. Now this is a wicked little car. The guy bought it for 450 quid. He's about 1,800 quid in now, and it's a stage 2. He's done all the work himself. He is a little bit tatty. We've been having this chat, but it's got a full exhaust system. It's got all the bits and bobs on it, and it is wicked fast. He loves driving it. He's a driver, not a shower. So he makes the most of all 1,800 quid's worth of stuff. And yeah, I mean, it's a really nice looking car, really low. I wouldn't want to take this up into the Lake District, but For where he drives, it's obviously not a problem. Nice, nice silhouette there of all the cars before I pan to the other side. Right, and we got a quick look at Shyam's new car. You still got the Mark II V6?
I still got my Mark 1.
Oh, you got rid of that to get that. So he traded a Mark II in, saw the light, and kept his Mark 1 and got a Japanese V6 instead. I got a bit of a thing for these. I'm just waiting for them to come down in price a little bit more, and then I need somewhere to put them. Right, well, on to what now? We've got a black one with, oh, is it? Yes, it is. It is a Vagroots front splitter. Really popular, really like these. It's got, what, gunmetal grey wheels, which are a little bit dirty. I thought they were black. It's got the V6 rear spoiler. Relatively stock interior. It's got seat delete. I guess nowadays what hasn't. Most, yeah, look, V6 spoiler. Oh, it's a 180. Very nice. Nice looking 180. It's got parking sensors, obviously after fix. You don't normally see them on a TT. Then we've got this beauty right here. Deep dish wheels, quite low again. Quite a wide look from the back. Look at that. I think it's because it's low. It looks really fat. Give you a look at that. Yeah, look. Lovely colour. Tinted windows not often seen on a TT, mainly because visibility is a bit crap anyway. But I think it really suits the car. Really clean car, this. Get a pan on them XXRs. Really nice, clean looking car. D-badge grille. Honeycombed up. Then onto another silver, a pair of roadsters here, like silver roadsters. Both same roadsters, same wheels. Both look really clean. I mean, you can always tell a car based on the headlights. And I mean, look at them, they are crystally. Look at that beautiful reflection of me. And look at the bright blue calipers, very nice. Roadsters are just a nice place to be. Let me give you a pan down here. You see what I'm looking at. Just a nice little cabin. Oh, here comes a nice Mark 1 Escort. And then, so we've got one's a 180, one's a 225. So literally just the exhaust different. But apart from that, you wouldn't tell much between the cars. Both private plates hiding their age. That looks like a Miltech. Yes, it is. Could still be a 180 then, maybe with a Miltech on. We'll never know. Just change the trim panel. And then we've got this, which we believe is Marana Green. We was having a bit of a debate about this earlier. It's quite tricky. It's got nice big exhaust, double spoiler. It's got 19-inch wheels with a bit of dish there, look. It's got tinted windows. It's got a few little bits on the inside. Nothing too much. It's got a big open front mouth. Plenty of air getting through there, no problem. It's got a few little tricky bits in here. We got the forge caps. We've got carbon engine cover. Losing me words then. Tip. We've got filters, same as most. What we got on here next? Look at that. Yeah. So, oh, and aftermarket headlights. Didn't see them earlier. Aftermarket's the headlights. Like he said, he's been a work in progress. He's been working on that for quite a bit of time, sorting out quite a few of the previous owners' problems, I think. Onto this. Right, so we're back onto this. This is a Quattro Sport by the looks of it. It's hard to tell with the black because obviously normally they'd have a black roof, but this doesn't. This is all black anyway, so a bit of a stealthy one. It's got the pole positions. It's got everything really. The nice wheels. It's got the black exhaust. That's always quite a bit of a giveaway. It's got the rear diffuser, it's got the rear spoiler body colour matching. Don't know how well you can see there because of the sun. It's got the pole positions in there. Really nice looking car. Kind of goes under the radar because it's black. You don't tend to notice what it is or what it's not. Next we're going to move on to Avols. He's got some deep dish wheels on the back. They are wide. He's got quite a few little tricky bits here in the engine bay. It looks quite nice. It's got quite a few pipe chains. Real tidy looking car this. Just pan through, nice contrast with the red and blue. Bodywork's really clean as well. Let's have a quick walk around. I quite like the dishy wheels. Not a fan because I hate cleaning them, but besides that they look great. Really nice looking wheels. Really nice looking car. Again, tinted windows, not common because the visibility is crap, but on the red and black does suit really well. Let's pan around here. We've got a black Roadster 225. This is Scott's. He's been doing quite a bit to it, changing a few pipes, chasing a few problems. Big pan across there, look. Quite a low mileage. What was the mileage on this one? 64,000, so it's quite a well cared car. It hasn't covered a lot of miles anyway. Just a nice honest one. It's nice to find them with that kind of mileage, because let's be honest, 20-year-old cars, if they've done 5,000-10,000 a year, they could be up to 200,000 already, like mine. So, and we've got a couple of Mark IIs here. This TTS Stage 2 Plus, pushing sort of 360 horsepower. I certainly wouldn't want to come against that on the road, because that will be quick. S-tronic, so through the gears like lightning. And then you got onto my dad's new purchase. Didn't fancy a Mark 1, it's gone for a Mark 2. 2-litre turbo. Real nice looking thing. We'll do a few bits to this. We've got a few bits to do. He's writing me a list, as always. But yeah, just a really nice looking car. Nice contrast with the white and the diamond, graphite wheels. I don't know what it is with graphite today. And then we've got a little imposter TT that's just turned up. I'll have a quick look round. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? When in Rome. Look at this thing. This is wicked. This is what I love about a car meet. People drive past, see you, and then pull in just to come and have a chat. This thing's wicked. Stripped out. Switches all over the dash. Look at that beauty. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, what a day. What a turnout for a morning. Little breakfast meet. The sun's managed to hold. Hasn't rained, haven't got wet, which is nice. Makes a change. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed watching, having a little bit of a look round. Like I said, jump onto the parrottbros.co.uk, jump onto the TT Mark 1 forum and community, the YouTube channel, the Instagram, everything. I'll post every meet that we do there, just to try and give you a bit of 3 or 4 weeks notice. We'll try and do one every sort of 4 to 6 weeks where we can. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. And as always, it is time to do this month's giveaway, the most important part of the video, of course. So as you can see, this is the video at the beginning of the month, 2nd of May, when we said we'll be giving away some strut tops. It's your choice whether you choose the aluminium or the black with the dimples. They both got dimples, to be fair. So the winner gets to choose. Now I'll just quickly copy the video details. Now all I said was you had to put UK in the description. Now I'll just throw this into here so we can generate one. Now let's see how many people we've got in this month's giveaway. So we'll filter out the duplicates. We'll include replies in comments, and this is UK as always. Now let's see how many people we've got. 79 people. That's a good one this month. Okay, so before we get any further in, good luck everybody. Let's see who the winner is. And this month's winner is Michael Allison. Congratulations, mate. Drop me a message and we will get that sorted out for you. I'll get it in the post. Just let me know whether you want the black or the polished ones. Drop me a message at dom@theparrottbros.co.uk or via Facebook, mate, and we'll get you confirmed and I'll get them sent out. As always, thank you for everyone for taking part. Congratulations, Michael, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.